Okay folks, in this demonstration we're going to use a router to connect one local area network to a different local area network. First thing I'll do is I'll identify a switch I'm going to use. There's a switch there for one network and a different switch for another network. So the left hand side will be the first local area network and the right hand side will be a different one. I'm going to get some end devices, in this case some PCs. I'll just attach two PCs to each of the local area networks. To do that, I'll obviously need to use some cable in here. And I'll use the copper straight through for the PC, fast Ethernet to fast Ethernet, and again for this PC exactly the same. Connect to the switch. So that's basically going to be my first local area network, and then the other side of the software here, this will be the other local area network. Again attaching some PCs to the switches. All you need to do now is obviously identify some IP addresses. So for this PC here, I'll go into desktop, configure it to be static 192.168.0. I'll use number 10 and I'll put that in there for the subnet mask. I'm going to add in a new thing called a default gateway. I'll type in 192.168.0.1 and the default gateway will be a connection to a router, which we haven't really looked at yet. Next PC, give it a IP address as well, 192.168.0.20, and then default gateway 192.168.0.1. So I'm basically saying use the router in some way. This thing called a gateway, that will be the router. The other side, the other local network, will have different IP addresses. So I'll say 192.168.1.10. So the minute I put in a 1, it's no longer a 0, it's a different network. And over here, 192.168.1.1. So this router on the right hand side will have a different IP address for the gateway. And then over here, again another IP address, 192.168.1.20. and then the default gateway 192.168.1.1. So I've got a local area network over here and a local area network over there. I'll do a quick ping test just to prove it works. Ping 192.168.0.20. That should connect to the PC just down here, which it does. And over here I'll do the same thing for the other network. Ping 192.168.1.20, and I get a reply, and that's basically this PC here connecting to that PC there. So these are actually two separate networks right now, a left hand side local area network and the right hand side local area network. Now in order to join these networks together, go back to my different devices here. This thing says router, and I'm going to select the second router along the list here. It's only got 2 port connections, other ones have different numbers of port connections. I'm going to pick an easy one. This is that one there, the second one along. Now, interesting enough, when I click on it, right, that's basically the back of what one of these routers might look like. When I try to go to configure it, it tells me it's still booting up. So it's actually kind of emulating the fact it takes a bit of time for these things to start up. So I'll have to wait a little bit till it's done. So this is the bit where you're kind of waiting for paint to dry. There you go. So apparently I'm now on it, I can get access to it. Now in this router here, I've got a gigabit Ethernet connection and another one as well. There's 2 of them, right? Now if I move this to the side here, this here has 2 connections. I'm going to connect the switch to the gigabit Ethernet connection on the left hand side, and this switch here to the gigabit Ethernet connection on the right hand side. So one of them is called 000, the other one is called 001. So I'm going to use 000 for this local area network here. What I have to do first though is I have to make sure that the actual port itself is switched on. It's off by default because of security. So I switch it on just now, and you see down here some stuff pops up. That's the actual real proper command line that you'd use for different things to do with Cisco devices. And over here I'll put an IP address in. I'll say 192.168.0.1, and obviously click on the subnet mask. So 0.1 is this left hand side that will connect to that network there. Now go to the other side, which is 0.0.1, switch that on and type in 192.168.1.1, and that'll have this side of the network communicate to that side. And the idea is, because this is between the two of them, it can transfer data from one network through to the next network. What I have to do now is obviously connect this thing up here. So what I'll do is I'll grab myself a cable. I'm going to select gigabit Ethernet, make it nice and fast. Obviously gigabit's a bit faster than a normal Ethernet connection. And I'll select this here and I'll look for 000 because that's that side of the network. And the other one, again, switch connection, gigabit Ethernet. This will be 001. And that's it connected up. What we'll have to do is wait a little bit to give the whole system a chance to understand what's happening, give it a chance to kind of realise it's been connected up. Then what I can do is I can do some more pinging. So I'll ping from this side, ping 192.168.0.1. And I'll move this over a bit as well. And we just wait a little bit and you get a reply suddenly. So basically this PC here is pinging this side of the router. Right, let's try that again, but do a different number, 192.168.1.1, which is this side of the router. So this PC and this network is going to go through the switch and connect through the router to ping this side of the router. And there's a reply from it as well. So we know for a fact that that PC there can now connect to this side of the network so far. Try again, 192.168.1.10. Now think through what 1.10 is. It's this PC goes through the router all the way through it to that switch to find that PC there. So wait a little bit again to see what happens. There's always a little bit of kind of delay initially. But look there, I've now connected from this local network PC through the router to this other local network PC over here. So let's try that on a different side. Ping 192.168.1.1, which will access the router on this side. Ping 192.168.0.20. So we're saying here, try this PC through the network, through the router to the next network to access that PC over there. Again, there's a small delay before it actually works. And there you go. We've now connected two local networks that are separate from each other using one router.